Hello, my name's Will John from ADAS and we're at Clwyncelyn Farm here today to talk about the EIP project in electrophysical destruction of docks. The dock has 40% less nutritional value than grass, so infestations can also impact severely on the quality of grassland production and farm productivity on a whole. There's also been a shift away from reliance on pesticides to a more integrated approach where alternative methods to pesticides are being used. And we were grateful to Rob for being part of the project. Rob, could you tell us a bit about the farm here and what interested you in the dock project?
I'm Robert Jones and this is Clwyncelyn Farm, Penrose, Raglan. It's a 180 cow herd, paddock grazed and also fed as well. We were interested in the project partly because we have quite a lot of clover in the grassland and the sprays and herbicides for clover use are more limited than they are on just grassland. So it appealed that electrocuting them, if that's the right word, might be a better option, or might be another option for killing them and leaving the clover in the grassland.
I'm Trevor from Rootwave. We're partners in the EIP project. We've come with the technology side of things. This is Rootwave Pro, so we take power from the generator, transform it up, and then use electricity to kill the weeds. So what we're doing is we're boiling the fluid in the plant, which is destroying the cell structure, going through the roots, and then electricity is returning back to earth. So with Rootwave Pro we have 3 power settings, so depending on what the weed is, depends on which power setting we can use, so we don't just blow the top off it, we actually get electricity into the plant to destroy the cell structure. This one is on, Rootwave Pro's on the market. We're in development of more larger machines that are tractor mounted for use in crops, so that's where the future's heading.
We're also joined today by Kevin Godfrey, who is a weed scientist with ADAS. Kevin, you're actively involved in running these trials. Can you tell us a bit about how it works and initial findings?
Yeah, sure. So essentially it's part of a 2-year trial at this farm. We've got 6 different treatments that are laid out on plots at 10 metres in length and 2 metres width, and then they're replicated 3 times. So we've got a total of 18 plots. The treatments involve an untreated, a herbicide treatment, and then various different amounts of electrical weeding treatments.
The first year results showed electric weeding, repeated 3 times in the season, is comparable to the herbicide treatments at one of the sites.
With those 3 treatments, we begin in kind of mid to late April, and then we will carry on treating every 4 to 6 weeks after to give the docks enough time to regenerate and to get a good kill from the electrical weeder.
Ideally, I can see this working in a situation where you have a grazing paddock grazed quite hard with the dock standing up proud in a weed wiper type of situation, or with a vision guided bit of equipment. So in summary then, this has been a really interesting project, quite exciting, and a lot of people have got in touch to want to know more about this technology. So it's a great project to be involved with. In terms of development, I suppose getting to field scale to work over many acres is a challenge for this project. But Rob, what are your thoughts if it was available field scale? Is this something you'd be interested in using?
It's definitely something we'd be interested in using. It depends on the cost of the equipment really and how it works. If it's an expensive piece of machinery, it's probably more of a contractor's piece of equipment than it would be our own. And then it just comes down to how well it works, I suppose, then.